Log in FanDuel, how to register for FanDuel Sportsbook. If you want to log in or register for FanDuel Sportsbook account, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, launch the FanDuel Sportsbook application, and this is the type of interface you will see. Make sure you select your state properly. Now, at the top right hand side, you can see two options. If you do not have an account, just tap on the join button to create an account right here. Once you tap the join button, on the next page you have to enter a couple of information in this case. So let's just wait until this page has loaded up. First of all, you have to simply choose the email address that you want to use for your FanDuel account and then tap the continue button. After that, it will ask you to get some of the new users bonus. Now you have to simply choose a username that you want to use. Once you choose a username, you can simply choose a password. Then once you tap on create account, your FanDuel account will be successfully created. However, if you already have an account and then you just wish to log in only, that's also fairly simple. Just tap on the login button from the top right hand side this time, and then here you want to simply type in your email address, and then after that you want to type in your password. So let me go ahead and then enter my password. Once you type in your password, if you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap the show button. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot your password. But if your credentials are correct and then you tap the login button right here, then you should be logged in without any sort of issues, just like this you can see. And this is how you can log in or register for FanDuel Sportsbook account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.